The Goodyear Proving Grounds on Highway 277 recently celebrated 75 years in business by breaking ground on new projects. One of those is a second vehicle dynamics pad that will expand their testing capabilities.
Testing dry and wet handling, and we do it for all tires. We're doing it for summer, all season, all terrain, winter. And when it comes to wet testing, we're looking at things like braking traction, acceleration traction, steering, hydroplane resistance.
Having a second vehicle dynamics area will allow them to run wet and dry testing simultaneously, but the water used in the wet testing doesn't come from local municipal sources. It's actually groundwater collected from within the Goodyear facility as well as rainwater harvested on site.
What happens then is the water comes across here to a certain level or depth. We take that water, as you can see by the drains behind me, and we take that water and it goes back to a drafting pit. And from that drafting pit, the water is pumped back out onto this test surface over and over again. We pick up some sediment that's settled in the drafting pit, and so we conserve a lot of the water that we have right here. The water's precious in West Texas, and it's not lost on anybody here. So we do everything we can to get this water, capture about 98 to 99% of it, depending on evaporation and wind days.
Goodyear officials say the tests use about 15,000 gallons of water. However, the water itself is utilized over and over again, and the information gathered from the tests will only benefit consumers.
And so what that system allows us to do is have a precise water depth for consistent testing, and also simulates very well what a consumer would see on a wet road.
For Our Water, I'm Victor Glenn. For more Our Water stories, visit ConchoValleyHomepage.com/water.